We guide you through how to file a dispute and open a claim on PayPal if you are dealing with fraud, missing items, or unauthorized purchases. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account using the app or website, then go to Resolution Center. Find the transaction you want to report and select Report a Problem. Choose the issue that best fits your situation, such as unauthorized transaction or item not received, and submit the dispute. This opens a conversation between you and the seller so you can try to resolve the issue directly. If the problem isn't fixed within the given time frame, return to the resolution center and escalate the dispute by clicking Escalate to a claim. Once escalated, PayPal will review the case, check evidence from both sides, and make a final decision. Make sure to provide screenshots, receipt, and any relevant details to support your claim. By following these steps, you gave yourself the best chance of getting a refund or resolving the issue securely through PayPal.